namhlanje sikhona la emhlabeni waseMzimkhulu khona la edolobheni la sivula khona our new shopping center ebizwa ngokuthi a new value.
With every place in this country there's always a problem with unemployment, you know, and I think one of the biggest things we wanted to do here was to provide a lot of opportunity for as many people as we can. And the fact that it's still growing and we have so many phases still to come, I think that we can still provide a lot more opportunity for many people in this town.
Njolonzekile ngoba abasebenza bakhona nje abasemzimkhulu percent 59 of them abasemzimkhulu kule value mall.
Babukele ba Dream On TV sisekhona ke kule ndawo yala eMzimkhulu. Right next to me I have Mr. Kona, who is the Pro for Team Management, who will be taking us through ukuthi kwenzakalani namhlanje. What is it that we are expecting from now going forward? Are we having other new stores that are going to be coming? Mr. Kona, I'm from Dream On TV. Can we please welcome you?
Yeah, no, it's great to have you guys here. It's an awesome day. It's a beautiful day we're actually having here. And yeah, as you can see, the vibes are going. Everyone's happy. Everyone's very happy. So yeah, welcome.
All right, thank you very much. Man, can you please take us through? It didn't take much of a time for you guys to build the mall and to have the stores running. Maybe can you please take us through how long is the vision? When did you start thinking about this project and stuff like that?
Yeah, so I mean, this vision for this mall has been going on for over 27 years now. It's been a long process, and this is only phase one of many more phases to come. As you can see, the land is quite large there, so we have a lot more to build. But yeah, it's been a long vision. It took a lot of effort to get here, a lot of planning, but we're here now, and it came out very nice. It looks amazing, and I think the people are happy. Yeah.
Right, Mr. Kona, you guys started operating last year, and you are only doing your official opening this year and today. So can you please tell us what changes have you brought to Umzimkhulu in terms of their economy, in terms of maybe the unemployment that we have been seeing, that it was drastically growing. So can you please take us through with that?
Yeah, I mean, there's with every place in this country there's always a problem with unemployment, you know. And I think one of the biggest things we wanted to do here was to provide a lot of opportunity for as many people as we can. And the fact that it's still growing and we have so many phases still to come, I think that we can still provide a lot more opportunity for many people in this town. I know there's a lot of people that are already here and they're grateful for the jobs that they've been provided. And yeah, it's amazing to see so many people happy that they can now afford things and they can work and they can enjoy their lives now. So we're grateful for that, and that's one thing that'll never go away. We keep that in our mind all the time. So yeah, we hope to provide now with all the development going forward that we can keep doing that, keep striving to provide opportunities for people, bring them some jobs, bring them some opportunity in life. And yeah, we'll keep that going. That's our goal in the long run, actually, to keep that going, provide as many opportunities. Yeah, I mean, along with the municipality, working with the mayor, working with all the councillors and all that, it's been amazing to help with them and to give back to the community, you know. We're always striving to give back and putting together events like this and these outreach programs. We try. I know the landlord as well, he's an amazing man that strives to give back to his community, to provide opportunity, to give back in ways that not many people can, you know. And he has the opportunity to do that, so he does. And yeah, like I said, along with the municipality, the mayors, the councillor, everybody here, we are all together trying our best to give back to everybody. Our responsibility is to give back in the long run. Doesn't matter who you are, we want to give back. So we really are striving for that, and we will continue doing things like this to provide people with the opportunity to give back to them. So yeah, we really are pushing for that. We really are.
And just to conclude, do you have anything to say to Umzimkhulu municipality, the community at large?
I would firstly like to say thank you to the municipality and thank you to everybody in this town that has really made this legacy happen. everyone's efforts came together and they made this happen. They really did. Like I said earlier, the mayor, she played a very vital role in this. She really did. From all the councillors, from everybody else, they played a vital role with this. And more importantly, the community. Everyone came together, everyone wanted this, everyone's supporting it, and it's making a big difference for everyone in the long run. It really is. So I'd just like to say thank you to Umzimkhulu as a whole. The whole town, thank you very much.
Sizobungaza nje iValue Mall namhlanje namanana phansi alungiselela abantu basemzimkhulu ukuthi basondele bazi ukuthi ikhona iValue Mall bangene ngaphakathi bazothenga. Kwakhona silungiselela no phase 2 wayo iValue Mall ayikakapheleli mayingaka. Phase 2 usezoqala kungekudalanga nje. Siyabuka nala ngaphandle ukuthi ngcolile kodwa masikhulumisana nomnikazi wemall uthi kukhona zosenzela kona ukuze abadayisi bethu bathola indawo right clean ama informal traders esinawo abeka amatafula decent bazokwazi uba nendawo right zokuthengisela.
Right, ayingesiyibona ngamehlo ke thina ke intuthuko emzimkhulu. Mhlawumbe ngokwenziwa nje kwalento siyazi ukuthi unemployment yena inkinga esinayo enkulu kakhulu eSouth Africa. Mhlawumbe ngathi ngokufika kwale mall ushintsho lwenzekile lungakanani?
Ushintsho lwenzekile ngoba abasebenzi abakhona nje abasemzimkhulu per se 59 of them abasemzimkhulu kule Value Mall abakhona. Nangona ke istats singakasitholi sonke since izitolo zimane zifika sisezokwazi ukuthi sisithole but ucheck right eyedwa 59 abantu basemzimkhulu abahlomulile khona.
Currently, we are here in Umzimkhulu, and we have our store here at Umzimkhulu. And currently, we have employed about 20 staff from the local area of Umzimkhulu, and they are permanent. And so we're great to be here, and also with all the customers and in the Umzimkhulu area, we are very, very grateful to be here and also to give them service. And yeah, it's a great day today for us. It's an excitement for the launch of the new mall here at Umzimkhulu.
As a supermarket or as a branch manager, I'm expecting a lot of or big numbers in my sales in the store. So hopefully we have a good promotion which is running for the day, and we have a good promotion as well from the 23rd of March, which is going to run up until 4th of May. So I'm expecting big in the store.
Yogurt, real yogurt ngicela ngayo. If uthenga u2 i21.99 iyinye, if uthenga 2 kupha 1 mahalo. So ngiphathele nje into ezimnandi. Ngiyakupha nawe lana sesiwami ukuthi utest.
Ucheck right nje wethu siyakhumbuza abathengi ucheck right uhlezi ke uthembisa nje kubanikeza lokho badingayo ngasikhathi zonke futhi uma uthenga kakhulu kula usuke wongekhona kakhulu.
Hi, I'm Shalom from Table Pride Foods. We do have our farm-made peri-peri sauce that's actually running on special at the moment, where you buy one and you get one free.
Oh.
Yes.
We supply the Check Right group with Rave soap, Ilangeni Green Bar soap, Touch of Pearls, and Hygiene soap. Currently, we're having a promotion on Rave, which is 3 for 30 rands at the moment. And also, when a customer buys 3 Rave from the store, he or she can come and take a sample of the Rave 125 grams, right? Free to the consumer.
Hayi kube mnandi ukuthenga la ngaphakathi kumnandi kuyatitilizwa wozothenga
ama rank wethu ama van sithenga nje duze siyofika lula ema rank wethu.
Babukeli beDream On TV besikhona ke la uyazi thina siyohlala sikuphathela indaba odinga ukuzazi uyazi ukuthi siyohlala sikuphathela izinto ezenzeka khona la endaweni. Igama lami ke nguAmlungo wakwambabala ngijabulile nami kakhulu namhlanje, and I also have prizes that I won khona la kule ndawo ngokuthenga nje kwami. Ngiyacela ukuthi ningakhohle ukusilandela Dream On TV, sikhona ku Facebook Dream On TV, sibe khona ku YouTube Dream On TV News. Tshela umngani wakho phela ukuthi akatshela umngani wakho ukuthi kunalento ekuthiwa Dream On TV, then you subscribe to our channel. Sikhona njalo si Dream On TV. Uhlale kahle.